Today I'm going to show you how to use my timers using KineMaster. This video. Okay. To put timers to your video, first look into the layer, the video. But first you have to download it. Say for example, this is saan kaya nilagay ko? Say for example, this one. Then go to chroma key, enable it. Boom! That's it. That's how easy it is. See? You can even put it here. Or this side here. Or here. Or even here. You can even choose to mute the sound of the timer. Then after that you have to save it, then export it. That's it guys. Thank you for watching. See you again on my next video.